This is where the battle becomes philosophical. Tesla believes software will define the future. BYD believes manufacturing will. Tesla's biggest gamble isn't the Model Y. It isn't even the Cybertruck. It's artificial intelligence, specifically full self-driving. The idea that one day, every Tesla could become an autonomous robotaxi, working while its owner sleeps, generating income instead of sitting parked. If Tesla succeeds, it won't just be a car company. It could become one of the world's largest AI platforms. That possibility is why investors continue watching every software update, every AI training run, every robotaxi announcement. But while Tesla chases tomorrow, BYD dominates today. Its Blade battery became one of the industry's biggest breakthroughs. Safer, more durable, more resistant to thermal runaway. A battery designed not just for performance, but for trust. Then comes variety. Tesla offers a relatively small lineup. BYD offers dozens of models. Tiny city cars, family SUVs, executive sedans, pickup trucks, luxury brands, even buses. It doesn't ask customers to fit its products. It builds products to fit customers. And then there's geography. Tesla built global factories. BYD built global expansion. Europe, Latin America, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, every year. More dealerships, more distributors, more local partnerships, more ships carrying BYD vehicles across oceans. This isn't simply a battle between two automakers anymore. It's software versus manufacturing, artificial intelligence versus industrial scale, algorithms versus factories. The future may belong to both, or only one. Tesla has the AI, but BYD has the factories, the volume, and the global momentum. So, when these two unstoppable forces collide on the global stage, who left standing? Find out in our grand finale, Chapter 4, The Final Verdict. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and let's see how this bloodbath ends.